What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, kind people over at Tclmobile, they were kind enough to send me out their TCL 40 X5g. I believe this came out sometime last year, but I'm just now getting my hands on it because they were just able to send me out one to review. So this is the product right here. It says it has a 6.56 inch HD plus, I guess that's display, 90 hertz refresh rate, 50 megapixel camera, 5,000 milliamp battery. You get 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM, Core X8. I'm sure you can use a SD card on this, I'm sure. So now let's just unbox this and see what we get. Haven't had a product from TCL in a while, and I'm glad I was able to get back their products in hand. So this is the device. I'm gonna pull it out of here like so. It does have a nice little weight, a nice little feel to it. I know I see you do get your headphone jack at the bottom. Let's see here, your Sims tray on the side there. Pull the sticker, well, pull the sticker off. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down for now. Let's see what else you get in the box, if anything. So you do get your Sims ejection tool. You get your USB to USB-C charging cable, and you get your wall adapter. But I will not need these because I have plenty of these already. So I'm just going to put this in here like so. Put this over to the side for now. And we're going to cut the phone on for the very first time, and so on and so on. But on their website, I will make sure I will drop a link to where you can pick this device up in the description for yourself. So pretty much this is some of the info about the device. I'm going to read a little bit to you. It has dual speakers for a dynamic audio and cinematic experience. It has a triple rear camera system with 50 megapixel as the main camera, 2 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel micro lens. The 8 megapixel front camera will capture video and take stunning images. I will come back later here with a better in-depth video of this device. I just want to unbox it and turn it on for the very first time and get a look around it. But pretty much, if you wanted to pick up this device, this will currently cost you $179.99. This is like a budget-friendly device for somebody out there that just needs a phone for talking and texting and maybe searching the web, but they do not want to break the bank and get something too expensive. This is the way you go. So you do have an in-display fingerprint scanner, 5,000 milliamp battery, like I said. This is just some of what it is telling you that the device can do. So now I'm going to power on the device and see if we have any kind of juice. Pull that off like so. This is what the front of the device currently looks like. Let's just cut it on and see if we get any juice. I do like the way they made the back look and feel. You do not have to worry about getting fingerprints on this device because it's not picking up any fingerprints. It's because of the kind of design that it's built with. There is your 50 megapixel camera right there. There's your other cameras right there. a headphone jack lover, you do still have access to that. It wants me to copy my data. I'm not going to do that for now. I just want to show you what the screen looks like and go through some of the little features it may have, if it has any. But this is not a bad size for a smartphone. 6.65-inch screen display. Not bad at all. Like I said, you can unlock with your fingerprint. So first, let me put side mounted fingerprint scanner, and I like that actually. It's vibrating every time the haptics is stronger than the fingerprint scanner. That's for sure. I'd rather have it on the side than have it on the screen anyway. So that's added. You also get unlocked with your face. I don't want to do that right now. So now it is currently getting it ready. So as of right now, you do get your image enhancement and video enhancements. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.